name is David Campo. I am the designer of Immune. Immune is a cooperative strategic board game for 1 to 6 players. In this video, I would like to give you a brief introduction of the game and also to teach you how to play it. Let's start with the components. There are two boards in Immune, the organ board and the cellular board. In the organ board, we have the lungs, the heart, the kidneys and the liver. We also have a virus card, which in this case is influenza. We have disease cards, which are going to come at different points. And we have the white cells. White cells are going to be able to move in an organ and they are going to fight the virus. Every organ also has 2 lymph nodes, which are these white spots. These are the white cell dice, which is how the white cells are going to fight. And we also have the infection bag, which is where the viral tokens are located. These viral tokens are going to go in the board according to their color. I'm going to show you later. So how do we lose this game? We lose it if this bag is ever empty. We also lose it if any viral token reaches these spots, the trigger spaces that are on each organ, like this one, this one, this one. That's how we lose the game. This is the cellular board. Here we can see the main actions which we are going to perform. I'm going to go into detail later. And we also have the epitope area of the board. This is also called an antigenic determinant. This is the part of the virus that is recognized by the immune system. So what we are going to do is we are going to try to cover these yellow spots with these amino acid tiles. If we are able to do that and they all are connected to each other, then we win the game. And these spots are different for each virus card. So in influenza, we have this 3, 8, 13, 16, which is where these ones are located. And each card has a different one. We also have here the 3 innate immunity cards. We have a player 8, and we have also here a bag so you can discard things. We have the resources, which are red for DNA, green for RNA, and blue for protein. Every player also has a personal space where at the beginning of the game, everybody has 1 card, which is like a power that they can use once per game. So we are ready to start the first turn of Immune. Every turn has 3 phases: viral replication, energy allocation, and immune actions. During viral replication, you simply take 2 viral tokens from the bag. You're going to place them on the board according to their color. So let's say this green one would have to go in the liver. When there is nothing there, you just place it next to one of the lymph nodes. So let's say here. The same for this one. And that was it. That was viral replication. 2 tokens came. Now comes energy allocation. During this phase, you're going to move one of these tokens, and you can move it up, left, right, or down. Let's say that I want to move this one here. This is important because the more energy tokens a tile has, the more powerful it is. So this is it. This was energy allocation. Now we can do the actual immune actions. So there are 9 of them, and you can do any 2 of them. You can even do the same one twice. So let's say in this turn we're going to do 2. I'm going to do first gene regulation, which is simple. Just take 1 red cube. So I'm going to take it. But I have 2 energy tokens here. So this action can be performed twice. So that means 2 red tokens. That's it for my first action. For my second action, I could repeat it. I could take 2 more. But perhaps I don't want to do that. Maybe I just want to do this action, where you discard 2 red cubes and you get 1 green one. So we are trying to get resources because every action needs different things. Now green cubes are good to do many actions, and blue cubes are very important because that's how you get the tiles that allow you to win the game. So that's it. That was the first turn of Immune.